How to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. To get started, it's important to note that you need to be at least 13 years old. You can see that I'm 13 plus in the top right corner of Roblox. Next, head to the top right and click on the gear or cog icon, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, make sure you have a verified phone number on your account. If it's missing, press Add Phone on the right, enter your number and press Continue. You will need to verify it, and once successfully verified, it should show as verified. After that, go to the Privacy and Content Maturity section on the left in the settings. Find the Communication option, and under it, you'll see the Voice Chat option. Click on it and make sure the microphone is enabled. Now, head into a Roblox game, and to start talking, click the mute icon in the top left. It should flash green when it's active. If you want to adjust your microphone and speaker settings, press the Roblox icon in the top left, go to Settings, and then choose your input device, microphone, and output device, speakers, for other players' voices. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.